future belongs to those who believe in their dreams. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Trust your dreams, for in them is hidden the way to success. Well, to succeed in life, we need education. And the real purpose of education is not only to share information or to grant knowledge, but also to impart wisdom and leadership. A very good morning to all present here. I, Geetika Berry, the academic coordinator for grade 9 and 10, heartily welcome one and all for the virtual STUCO investiture ceremony 2021-2022, where our students will be virtually declared as leaders of tomorrow. Leadership allows leadership skills allow children to have control of their lives and the ability to make things happen. Leadership instills confidence and helps children solve problems in a creative manner, work in a team, and work collaboratively with others. Leadership gives children many opportunities to develop responsibility. At Lok Seva E-School, we truly believe that leadership qualities are innate and latent in a child. And if we facilitate a platform for our students so that they can explore different arenas of leadership, we also would guide them about the decisions they make, mentor them when they make mistakes, and help them to carve out their own path of success. Consequently, they can lead the world. With the same thoughts, STUCO, that is Student Council, is formed. Every year in a regular school, we have STUCO elections, and through the same process, we select STUCO members. However, since last year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, our lives changed in the blink of an eye. And yet, we have been resilient with each obstacle that has come our way. Hence, we selected the STUCO members through a rigorous process. And today, we are here to officially hand over their respective offices to them. So let's begin with the ceremony, lamp lighting. The brilliance of the light does not diminish despite its repeated use to light many more lamps. So too, knowledge does not lessen when shared with or imparted to others. Light brings brightness. In doing so, it dispels darkness. We begin to see things clearly, and hence, lighting a lamp in our culture is considered as auspicious and holy. I call upon our chief guest, Commander Rupak Berry, retired, and our academic director, Mrs. Nivedita Markikar, to do the honors of the virtual lamp. That was the wonder of technology. We could see the virtual lamp lighting. And now I would like to hand over the mic to my colleague and friend, Mrs. Sarita Singh. Over to you, Sarita.
Hello.
One of the qualities of a true leader is to develop leaders amongst his team, to guide them like a lighthouse and to show them by setting an example what a true leader is. Today, we have with us one such leader who has defined what leadership actually is. So let us welcome our chief guest, Commander Rupak Berry. Commander Berry was commissioned as an electrical engineer in the Indian Navy on 1st January 1989. He is a graduate of National Defense Academy. Subsequently, he has done his electrical engineering from the Naval College of Engineering and ME E&TC with specialization in naval weapons from DIAT Pune University. He is also a French interpreter. Commander Berry has served on board Indian warships and shore establishments mainly in the field of design, development, and maintenance of missiles, radars, and other electronic equipment. He has worked on Project Trishul, the indigenous surface-to-air missile system, and also the long-range surface-to-air missile system being developed jointly by DRDO and Israeli Aerospace Industries. He retired from the Navy in 2010 as head of faculty, electrical and electronics at Naval College of Engineering, INS Shivaji, Lonavala after almost 22 years service. He is presently an independent aerospace and defense consultant providing futuristic insights into niche technologies and helping companies in formulating their strategic business decisions with respect to product diversification, manufacturing, and penetration in different geographies. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much. And, I'm happy.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to request Deepika ma'am to introduce the houses.
Okay, house system is an integral part of modern education system. The purpose of having a house system is to keep the competition spirit alive, to have the ownership of every action the students do, to be responsible for the victory as well as for the defeat of their house. At Lok Seva E-School, we have 4 houses and each one with their own motto. We have Raigad House, the Blue House, Sinhgarh House, the Green House, Vishalgarh, the Red House, Pratapgarh, the Yellow House. And let me speak a little bit about the Raigad House. The aesthetically appealing Raigad Fort is a strategically constructed hill fort in Raigad district of Maharashtra, India. Built by the vibrant Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Raigad was the capital city of the illustrious Maratha sovereign in the old times. The fort is located in the Sahyadri mountain range and is only accessible by a pathway on one side through several steps in a stiff climb. And while the other sides are surrounded by deep valleys. And on the same line of the defensive techniques of the Maratha warriors of this gigantic fort, our school's Raigad House children represent the glory and duty of a warrior to conquer the world. At the same time, we have Vishalgarh House. Vishalgarh was a Jagir during the Maratha Empire and then later part of the Deccan states. Agency of the British Raj, it was governed by Deshast Brahmins who were feudatories of Kolhapur. A fort had existed at Vishalgarh long before it became a Jagir. The Maratha Emperor Shivaji had escaped to it after being besieged at Panhala Fort in 1660. And on the same line of the many policies and reforms that took place in this massive fort, Vishalgarh House represent, the children of Vishalgarh House represent the managerial and decision-making qualities of a leader to lead the world. Sinhgarh, now moving to Sinhgarh House. Sinhgarh literally means Lion's Fort. Sinhgarh Fort, originally called Kondana, it was renamed the Lion Fort in honor of Shivaji's trusted aide Tanaji Malasure, who lost his life. Perched on an isolated cliff of the Buleshwar range in the Sahyadri mountains, the fort is situated on a hill 760 meters above ground. Sinhgarh was one of the first forts which Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj recaptured from the Mughals. The capture was made possible by scaling the walls at night with ladders made of rope. That's what our school Sinhgarh children, the Sinhgarh House children, represent: the valor and courage and strength of a lion to lead the world. And moving on to Pratapgarh, the Yellow House, which literally means Valor Fort, is a large mountain fort located in Satara district in the western Indian state of Maharashtra. The fort's historical significance is due to the Battle of Pratapgarh in 1659. The Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj commissioned Moropant Trimbak Pingle as his minister. The Battle of Pratapgarh between Shivaji Maharaj and Afzal Khan was fought below the ramparts of this fort on 10 November 1659. And on the same line of the establishing the Maratha Empire in Satara district, Pratapgarh House children represent the quality of determination to manifest their destiny, decision making, so that they can lead the world. So now let us welcome the house mistresses of Lok Seva E School to represent their houses to us.
My house is Raigad House. The color of my house is blue. Our motto is Dare to be wise. Our slogan is Learned is the one who is ceaselessly active.
My house name is Siahgad House. The color of my house is green. Our motto is He that endures overcomes. Our slogan is Enter to learn, go forth to serve.
My house name is Vishalgarh House. Color of my house is red. Our motto is do well, doubt not. Our slogan is after struggle, there is a crown.
Our house name is Pratapgarh House. The color of my house is yellow. Our motto is Progress with Wisdom. Our slogan is Sound learning strengthens the spirit.
Big round of applause for all the house mistresses and the house teachers for presenting their flag, house colors with pride and glory. That was a wonderful presentation by our teachers and our coordinators. And the blue house also represented the element of water, while green spoke volumes about the environment, the flora and fauna. The red house reminded us of the soil, the mud, to be down to earth. And with yellow, we learned to be more warm and fiery at the same time. Thank you, house mistresses, Mrs. Shakti Priya, Mrs. Kavita Joshi, Mrs. Uma Devi, and Mrs. I thank all the house mistresses and Mrs. Shakti Priya, last but not the least, Mrs. Shakti Priya, for their efforts and contribution. Wish you all the best, ma'am. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Very well said by our late president, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And now here comes the time of introducing our student council members to you all. Though we have officially communicated the same with the parents and students, here we are for officially listening to them. And let us begin with our head girl, Lavanya. Lavanya is an ardent speaker, and she has impressed her teachers with her presence and active participation in the class. She's a fantastic communicator and loves English literature. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for pinning of the e-badge. See, the benefit of technology, we are able to virtually pin e-badge on Lavanya. And may I now request Lavanya's parents to kindly put the sash and have the honor of being the head girl, virtually elected as the head girl here.
Come on. Okay. So this sash.
Oh, a big round of applause. Congratulations, ma'am. It's a moment of pride and honor for you as well as us. Thank you for putting the sash on behalf of the school. Congratulations, Lavanya, as the head girl.
Thank
We
you,
would
ma'am.
like to listen from you, Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am. We are all here to learn, to dream, to grow, and to contribute. A very good morning to our Honorable Chief Guest, Director Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers, and my fellow friends. Today I, Lavanya Bangde, am standing here to put into words about my insuppressible feeling of my heart after I have been chosen as the head girl of this prestigious institution of academic year 2021-22. My experience with Lok Seva e-school has always been an educative and interactive moment with people around me. So at the end, I would just like to add a few words that leadership is not about position. It is about the action which will make a difference. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Lavanya. It was lovely listening to you. And now we are actually, ma'am truly believes in breaking the gender norms. So we introduced the head girl first, and now we are moving to the head boy. And let us welcome our head boy, Omkar Rundal, who is a very sincere student, very obedient and studious, and he likes to actively participate in all the class activities. Please put your hands together for the pinning of the e-badge. And now may we request Omkar's parents to kindly put the sash on behalf of the school staff and management. Omkar, we would like to have you on board. Please put your hands together. That's a great moment of pride and honor for the parents as well as us. Heartiest congratulations to you, ma'am. Thank you, Omkar, and thank you, Mr. Rundal.
Successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desire to reach their potential. A very good morning to everyone present here. I, Omkar Roundel, the head boy for Lok Seva School and Junior College, would like to thank our director ma'am, our coordinator ma'am, our chief guest, teachers, and the management staff who have seen such capabilities in me, and they felt that I am confident enough to handle this big responsibility. I don't have words to express my extreme happiness. Actually, 26 letters of English are not enough to bind up my happiness. I am not here to talk only about my achievements, but my futuristic efforts that I will try to put into meets everyone's expectation as a head boy this year. As a loyal head boy is asked to accomplish all his duties with utmost sincerity and determination, so that he can give justice to his badge. So this badge will continuously remind me to accomplish all my duties with utmost sincerity and honesty. Once again, immense gratitude to our director ma'am, our coordinator ma'am, our chief guest, all my teachers and my fellow friends for bestowing this faith in me. At this moment, I am filled with enthusiasm to begin this fantastic new journey of my life, and it would be successful only with your valuable support and God's blessing. Thank you.
At the end. And now our cultural head, Durva Zavalkar, who is a very active girl, active student. Let's put our hands together for pinning of the e-badge on Durva as our cultural head. Durva, may we have you on board? And we would request the parents to kindly put the sash on behalf of the school.
Okay.
Great moment of pride and honor. Heartiest congratulations.
Thank
to the
you, ma'am.
parents and to you, Durva. May we see your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
I think the video was not on. Yes, heartiest congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Over to you, Durva. We would like to hear from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone, warm greetings to all. This is Durva, the cultural head of Lok Seva E-School. Well, I may fall short of words to express my gratitude towards the opportunity I've received to be the cultural head of the school. I want to sincerely thank one and for all your belief and trust in me. I will definitely stand up upon your expectations and give my best to the school. And for sure, I can't do it all alone. I need your support, and we have to work together for the betterment of the school. I would like to thank our director, Nivedita ma'am, our academic coordinator, Gitika ma'am, and all the teachers who had faith in me and gave me this opportunity. There's a slogan by Tom Peters that leaders don't create more followers, they create more leaders. And I hope I'll succeed in doing that. Thank you.
Thank you, Durva. You quoted very well. Leaders don't create more followers, but they create more leaders. They empower them. Thank you so much. Yes, moving on to our editorial head, Gaurav Mante. Wonders of technology. Please put your hands together for pinning of the E-badge on Gaurav Mante as the editorial head. Gaurav, may we have you on board, please?
So, one said, don't take rest after your first week.
I would like to congratulate you and your parent. We could not see you for a while. So your parents, congratulations, sir, for donning the sash, for putting the sash. And heartiest congratulations, a moment of pride and honor for all of us. Yes, Gaurav, we would like to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. One said, don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say your first victory was just a lie. Good morning. I am Gaurav Mante from class 10, and I am proud to be editorial head of LECS. Now, as I am the editorial head, I will be honest towards my duties, and I will ensure that I and all my co-leaders work as a team and work for the betterment. I will make sure that will give my best and will stand up on everyone's expectations. I would like to thank our honorable chief guest, Director Ma'am, and all my dear friends. I'll end up here. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, the head girl, the head boy, the cultural secretary, and the editorial chief. Thanks a lot for your wise words. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to house mistresses for introducing their house captains, vice captains, house prefects, and vice prefect. So the house mistresses, please take charge.
Good morning, one and all. I, Mrs. M. Shaktipriya, Academic Coordinator for 6 to 8. I am the house mistress of Raigad, that means Blue House. Now I will welcome our house captain, Miss Shravani Chavan. She is very studious, a good dancer. She is very studious, good dancer, and she actively participates in all the activities and the events. I am very proud to have her as the captain of our Raigad house. May I request Shravani's parent to put her the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Please put your hands together. A big moment of joy, pride, and honor for parents as well as the students. Yes, Shravani, would like to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Heroes are made by the path they choose, not the powers they are graced with. Honorable Chief Guest Commander Rupak Berry, retired, respected Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. A very good morning and a warm welcome to all. I, Ms. Shravani Chavan of grade 9th B, selected as captain of the Raigad House for the academic year 2021-2022. A house captain plays an important role in student leadership.
As a captain, I display the leadership qualities and be a role model for all the students. I'll work hard towards to achieve the goal of our school. As a captain, I demonstrate good leadership and promote the foster of house spirit. I will encourage all our house members to achieve and be motivated. I will try my best to give the house points for our house. As a captain, I would work closely with the house mistress and others by providing ideas and support for their competitions and house-related activities. I ensure that each member of my house will be motivated. Last but not least, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all my friends who selected me as the house captain and try to fulfill the motto of our house. Thank you.
I'll introduce the Vice Captain of Raigad House, Ms. Suhani Sahasrabuddhe. Ms. Suhani Sahasrabuddhe, the Vice Captain of Raigad House. She is very hardworking, sincere, and a friendly person. I hope she fulfills her duty. Now I request Suhani's parents to put her sachet.
Leaders to create followers, they create more leads. Honorable Chief Guest Commander Rupak Berry, respected Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning and a warm welcome to all. I, Ms. Suhani Sahasrabuddhe of Class 6B, selected as Vice Captain of Raigad House for the year 2021 to 22. Blue color symbolizes truth and honesty, wisdom and authority. As a Vice Captain of Blue House, I work hard with Captain and other team members to ensure the victory of our house. I always have a strong belief in teamwork and I ensure that every member to work with team spirit. Thank you. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.
Thank you.
Now I'll introduce Prefect of Blue House, Prefect of Raigad House. The Prefect of Raigad House is Master Rajveer Bosle. He is very inquisitive, fitness-loving sportsman, and he is an adventure lover. He is also actively participate in all the activities and events. Now, I request Rajveer's parents to put on the sachet.
Keep your fears to yourself, but share your courage with others. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. A very bright and pleasant morning to you all. I, Master Rajveer Bosle of 5th B, selected as Prefect of Raigad House for academic year 2021-22. As a prefect, I will assist Captain and Vice Captain to maintain friendly environment, maximum participation of Blue House students. I will ensure that all the students aspire to be organized and be a disciplined child like me. Thank you all of you for giving me this opportunity to work and be a role model for others. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Rajveer. Now I'll introduce Vice Prefect of Raigad House, Ms. Arnavi Chavan, Vice Prefect of Raigad House. Ms. Arnavi Chavan, she is very enthusiastic, studious, and sincere person. She grabs the things easily. Now I request Arnavi's parents to put the sachet.
You have to be unique and different and shine in your own way. Chief Guest Commander Rupak Berry, retired, respected Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends, a very spring and pleasant morning to all. I, Ms. Arnavi Chavan of Grade 4D, selected as Vice Prefect of Raigad Blue House for the academic year 2021 and 22. As a Vice Prefect, I will work together with my house captain vice captain, prefect, and other house members to reach our house motto. I assure that all students to participate enthusiastically in all the events in the school. I will abide by the school values and rules at all times and inspire others to follow same. Thank you all for giving me the opportunity to work for school. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. I, Kavita Joshi, house mistress of Red House. I would like to call Ms. Shravani Nemade as a house captain of Vishalgarh. Ms. Shravani Nemade is a disciplined and hardworking child. She is an active listener who does her work neatly and accurately.
Heartiest congratulations to Shravani for the pinning of e-badge. May we have you on board? May we request the parents to do the needful of donning the sashes? Sash? Yes. Congratulations, Shravani. We would like to hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the proud parents too.
Yes, sir. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. A very warm and pleasant morning to everyone present here. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my peers. I am Shravani Nemade, a student of 8th standard. I am the captain of Vishalgarh House for academic year 2021-22. A captain should be organized, polite, and should be an excellent role model in behavior and attitude. I am an honest and sincere child who desires to act responsibly towards the goal of the school. As a captain, I would be fully committed and dedicated towards making our house the best. I would lead and support the children of my house in a variety of house competitions. As a captain, I will work closely with the learning of lead teacher, providing ideas and support for competitions and house-related activities. In the end, I would like to thank everyone for selecting me as the captain and would work as per the motto of my house. Do well, doubt not, and after struggle there is a crown. Thank you.
Parth Mure. Parth Mure is a house vice captain of Vishalgarh. He is very studious, enthusiastic, and cooperative. He is good in sports and academic, and he has a special ability to work in groups and lead them.
Please put your hands together for the pinning of e-badge on Parth Mure as the house vice captain of Vishalgarh. Parth, may we have you on board and may we request the parents to kindly do the needful on behalf of our school and management team. It's a great moment of pride and honor. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Are also representing our Red House. So nice of you to compliment the house captain, vice captain of the house, right? Thank you so much. We would like to hear you now, Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. But when you become a leader, success is all about growing others. A heartily good morning to one and all present here, chief guest, director ma'am, coordinator, teachers, and my fellow students. I, Parsha Mude, a student of 7th standard, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all for selecting me as the vice captain of Vishalgarh House. I will work in tandem with the house captain and school teachers in organizing the school function and making them a success. I will make sure that children act and behave in a disciplined manner at all times. I will abide by all the school policies to set an example for all students. Actively promote the school values at all times, especially by demonstrating a caring and supportive manner. I will ensure that members of my house work as a team and listen and adhere to all school rules and help Vishalgarh House reach new heights of success. In the end, I would like to thank Director Ma'am, Coordinator, teachers, and my friends for giving me this huge opportunity to serve the school. Thank you.
Thank you, Parth.
House Prefect of Vishalgarh. Megha Swarnakar is a House Prefect of Vishalgarh. She is well-mannered, hardworking, sincere, and confident student. Megha Swarnakar.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for pinning of the E-badge for the House Prefect of Vishalgarh House, Megha Swarnakar. Megha, may we have you on board? I request the parents to kindly do the needful. And
Yes.
it's been done. Congratulations, sir. It's a moment of pride and honor. So thank you so much. Megha, we would like to hear you.
Thank you.
No matter who you are, no matter what you did, no matter from where you have come from, you can always change and become a better version of yourself. A very bright and joyful morning to everyone present over here. I am Megha Swarnakar, a student of 5th standard, respective chief guest, director ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my all friends. Thank you all for entrusting me with the position of prefect of Vishalgarh House. I, being an organized and disciplined child, will ensure the same within my friends and fellow students. I will assist the captain and vice captain to maintain a friendly environment within my and maximum participation of students in all activities. I will help coordinating the work within my house and make my house reach new heights. I will support my school teachers, house captains in all ways. Once again, thank you all for showing trust in my capabilities and allowing me to grow in all aspects. Motto, do well, doubt not. Slogan, after struggle, there is a crown. Thank you.
Wonderfully summed up. After struggle, there is a crown, Megha. That's so nice. Thank you.
Now I will introduce House Vice Prefect of Vishalgarh, Ishan Jondre. He is the Vice Prefect of Vishalgarh. He is well-mannered, confident, supportive, and innovative student. Ishan Jondre.
Yes, ma'am.
Heartiest congratulations to Ishan Jondale as House Vice Prefect, Vishalgarh. And thank you, ma'am, for putting the sash on behalf of the school staff and management. Congratulations to the proud parents and to Ishan. Ishan, we would like to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. A very inspiring and encouraging good morning to one and all. Respected chief guest, director ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and friends. I am Ishan Sundare and I study in grade 4D of Lok Seva East School. I am happy to be the new vice prefect of Vishalgarh House. I am well-mannered, confident, determined, supportive, and innovative. My house name Vishalgarh means grand or massive fort. Like its name, I will try and make my house a pride to my school. How will I achieve this? If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. I will ensure that all the students of my house work as a team and also coordinate with the captains of the other houses. I will follow the rules and regulations of the schools and obey my teachers. I will be positive and encourage my classmates to participate in the events throughout the year. Once the school restarts, COVID-appropriate behavior in school will be important. I will take efforts to ensure the same with my classmates for everyone's safety. Finally, I would promise to follow the motto of my house, which is do well, doubt not. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Stay home, stay safe. Done, ma'am.
And as a true leader during pandemic, you have promises how you're going to plan out events during this lockdown, during this closing of school.
Good morning, everyone. This is Ankita, the house mistress for Sinhagad House. Now I would introduce you to Reva Deshmukh, the house captain of Sinhagad House. Reva shows an outstanding organizational skills. She is an amazing student and a role model for her class. She loves in her playing games. She loves art and craft activities. Thank you, Reva. Now I would request your parents to do the sash ceremony for you. Thank you, Reva. Thank you, parents. Reva, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. A very warm and pleasant morning to everyone present. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my peers. I am Reva Deshmukh, a student of grade 8. I am the captain of Sinhagad House for academic year 2021 to 2022. A captain should be organized, polite, and an excellent role model in behavior and attitude. I am an honest and sincere child who desires to act responsibly towards the goal of the school. As a captain, I would be fully dedicated and committed towards making our house the best. I would lead and support the children of my house in a variety of house competitions. As a captain, I would work closely with the learning of the lead teachers, providing ideas and support for competitions and house-related activities. In the end, I would like to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity, and I would work as per the motto of our house. He that endures overcomes. Thank you.
Thank you, Reva. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, let me introduce to the Vice Captain of Sinhagad House. Vice Captain of Sinhagad House is Ashriya Vadnerkar. Ashriya is a very confident child. She is very organized and polite to everyone. She eagerly participates in all the school activities. And Ashriya has been learning Bharatnatyam since the age of 6. That's amazing, Ashriya. And congratulations on getting the E-badge. Now I would request the parents to please do the sash for Ashriya. Thank you so much, parents. Yes, Ashriya.
Okay. Average leaders raise the bar on themselves. Good leaders raise the bar for others. Great leaders inspire others to raise their own bar. A hearty good morning to one and all present here. Chief guest, Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my fellow friends. I, Ashriya Vadnerkar of Standard 7, from bottom of my heart, thank you all for selecting me as Vice Captain of Sinhagad House. I will work in tandem with the captain of my house and school teachers in organizing the school functions and making them a success. I will make sure that children act and behave in a disciplined manner at all times. I will abide by all the school's policies to set an example for all students. Actively promote the school values at all times, especially by demonstrating a caring and supportive manner. I will ensure that the members of my house work as a team and listen and adhere to all school rules and help Sinhagad House reach new heights of success. In the end, I would like to thank Director Ma'am, coordinator, teacher, and friends for giving me this huge opportunity to serve the school. Our motto is, "He that endures overcomes," and the tagline is, "Enter to learn, go forth to serve." Thank you.
Thank you, Ashriya. All the very best for your new role.
Thank you.
Now comes the prefect of the Siagarh house. The prefect of Siagarh house is Dharika Kulkarni. Dharika. Dharika is a very responsible and active child. Dharika is good in academics. She sets an example for all her classmates. Dharika is very confident and a disciplined child. Congratulations, Dharika, on getting the E-badge. Now I would request the parents to please do the sash ceremony for Dharika on behalf of his school.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that okay, ma'am?
Yes, Dharika. Thank you. Thank you, parents. Dharika. Yes, Dharika. Say something.
Yeah. Leadership does not always wear a harness of compromise. A very good morning to respected chief guests, director ma'am, coordinators and teachers. I am Dharika, student of standard, the prefect lion. A lion is a symbol of strength and the champion of greenhouse has strength from any situation. Thank you.
Thank you, Dharika, and all the very best.
Thank
now,
you.
Yes. Now comes Rishabh Tambe, the house vice prefect. Rishabh. Rishabh is a very supportive and helpful child. Rishabh tries to help all his classmates. Rishabh is a very enthusiastic and active child, and he participates in all the school activities with great enthusiasm. Many congratulations, Rishabh, on getting the E-badge. Now I would request the parents to please do the honors on behalf of the school for Rishabh.
Perfection is not attainable. It is punishment. You can catch excellence and present over here. Honorable chief guest, respected leaders and friends from class. It is house vice prefect, Siagarh house. As the motto of my house says, and he who endures serves, is exactly what I wish to be. I will work in collaboration with captain, vice captain, prefect, and school teachers to help the Siagarh house to reach at the top. I will ensure that all the students of my house work as a team and make Lok Seva School feel proud. I will motivate and encourage students to participate in events throughout the year. I will abide by the school values and rules at all times. Thank you once again for recognizing my skills and giving me this big responsibility. Slogan of my house is enter to learn, go forth to serve. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh, and all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ankita ma'am. Warm greetings to one and all present here. I am Mrs. Uma Devi, Academic Coordinator for Grade 3 to 5. I am the house mistress for Pratapgarh House. Let's welcome our sincere and smart Savari Mule, the captain of Pratapgarh House. She is very confident in her work. She is bold enough to take decisions at this young age. I am very glad to have her as a great pillar for Pratapgarh House. Congratulations, Savari. I request our parents to honor the sash.
Leaders harness personal courage, capture the heart and mind of others, and empower new leaders to make the world a better place. Warm greetings to respected Director Ma'am, Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Rupak Berry, Coordinator Ma'ams, teachers, and fellow friends. I am Savri Amit Murray from grade 9. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart selecting me as the captain of Pratapgarh House. Yellow House motto: progress with wisdom. Slogan, sound learning strengthens the spirit. The role of a house captain is one's privilege, pride, and responsibility. They are more than just a title and a badge and require dedication and commitment for an entire year. A great leader also has the ability to inspire action through proper guidance and mentorship and uses their knowledge to educate others along the way. As my house motto says, progress with the wisdom. I will always take the best decisions for my house and fulfill my roles as a captain with dedication and commitment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Savri. Congratulations for your new role.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's call upon our artistic and aspiring Arya Jadhav, the vice captain of Pratapgarh House. She is very active, sportive, and confident child. I hope she fulfills her duties. Request our parents.
The task of leadership is not to put greatness into humanity, but to elect it. For the greatness is already there. Warm greetings to Chief Guest, Commander Rupak Berry, respected Director Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Arya Zadav, student of grade 7, thank you all from my bottom of the heart for selecting me as the vice captain for Pratapgarh House. I will work along with my captain and lead, motivate, and support my house in mission, competitive spirit, and sportsmanship. I will make sure students follow all the rules and stick to discipline. I will motivate and encourage all my house members to actively participate in all events. I will ensure my house works as a team and reach the peak together. Thank you.
Let me call our obedient and optimistic Omkar Zarkar, the prefect of Pratapgarh House. He is caring, helping, and loves to study about planets. I hope he proves himself in bringing the house high. Omkar Zarkar, congratulations for getting the E-badge virtually. I request his parents to honor the sash.
Lead people walk beside them. As for the best leaders, the people don't notice their presence. They exist. When the best leaders' work is done, the people say with their thousands. Warm greetings to Chief Guest, respected Director Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers and fellow friends. I, Nkazaka, student of grade 5, thank you all from the bottom of my heart for selecting me as prefect for Pratapgarh House. I, being an organized and disciplined child, will ensure all my friends and house members to also be well behaved. I'll gain trust and rise high with everyone to the full potential. I'll support my school teachers, house captain, and vice captain in all ways. I'll update to the school values and rule at all times. Thank you.
Congratulations, Omkar, for your new role. Now the vice prefect of Pratapgarh House. Let me invite our young, well-disciplined, hard-working student, Yaksha Hajnale, the vice prefect of Pratapgarh House. He is an all-rounder and I hope he will support his house in all ways to achieve further. I request his parents to honor the sash.
Success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. Very good afternoon and warm welcome to Honorable Chief Guest Commander Rupak Berry, retired. Respected Director, Madam, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Shahnale, student of grade 5, thank you all from the bottom of my heart for selecting me as the Vice Prefect for Pratapgarh House. I will work along with my captain, vice captain, prefect, and the school teachers lead. Motivate and support my house in participation, competitive spirit, and friendship. I will make sure that each and every student from my house will enjoy this academic year of 2000. We opened a platform to be creative, learn, and innovate together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the selectors to come. I request Deepika Berry the oath.
Thank you, Sarita ma'am. First of all, I would like to congratulate the STUCO members. You all spoke so well. Hats off to you children. It's a moment of pride and honor for all of us. Now let us begin with the solemn ceremony of oath taking. I would like you to take your right hand, right palm, and keep it next to your chest. We, members of the Student Council, with teamwork, initiative,
With teamwork and initiative,
moral courage, exemplary conduct,
exemplary conduct,
and service before self. We will drive our school values of integrity, excellence, compassion, enterprise, and loyalty, with a deep sense of duty and honor. We lead to serve. Thank you, STUCO members. Thanks a lot.
Welcome. Thank you, ma'am. Such a moment of pride. This is when you are officially presented with the office duty, when you feel that you are worth enough to lead, and when there is a person of high rank such as Commander to encourage us on this event. I request Commander to address the young people.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Director ma'am, all the coordinators, teachers, and my dear students. It's been a great pleasure to be with all of you and to witness this ceremony. The houses, the 4 houses which have been named after, the strong forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji. I'm sure that the names of the houses itself, would be instilling a feeling of pride and fearlessness amongst you. As you all know that he was instrumental in driving away the invaders who were ruling this territory, and I'm sure that you all would be imbibing these kind of qualities. The ceremony has been conducted very well. The office bearers or the prefects and the leaders have been chosen in a very and the hierarchy in which you have been chosen. I have seen that you have chosen a captain from 10th grade, a vice captain from 7th grade, and so at a very young age we are trying to instill the qualities of leadership. My friends, all of you must remember that wearing the badge is sacrosanct, and it is important for you to exercise your authority, for ensuring that whatever are the responsibilities being thrust on you, they are, being followed. I remember that, when I was in the National Defense Academy, we were made corporals, sergeants, captains, divisional captains, academy captains. We were made given the appointments, and we took it very seriously. Even though our own postmates or your own classmates, may make mistakes, and as a prefect, you have to you are given the responsibility to point out someone who's talking or someone who's not obeying the discipline, and you must make sure that you exercise your authority, because if you don't exercise your authority, it gets diluted, and it doesn't serve a purpose. In this pandemic also, there will be cultural activities, sports activities, and so many things which have to be organized. I remember that when I was in 10th standard, we went to the principal and we told him that we would like to organize a chess tournament. And he was very happy. He said that, he just had to say that, okay, you can go ahead. And we did everything else, there was nothing, the only support we needed from the school was, to open the auditorium, to have the, championships. And we conducted a championship, and it brought in an energy flow. So you need to have an energy flow in a school if you want to be successful. As such, we Indians are supposed to be, we are very good in theory. We are very good in school textbooks, academics. But we need to have other extracurricular activities also to build the other qualities which are required and which need to be successful. So with this, I would like to request all the teachers to guide the students, this student council, to take on their responsibilities seriously, to organize functions, and to inculcate qualities, the extracurricular qualities which are required to make people successful. Once again, I thank Director Madam Mrs. Madkekar for giving me this opportunity to be part of this function. And I've seen everything carefully, and I congratulate the IT team for having done a wonderful job for online, pinning the badges. I was just seeing that how each photo used to come, and automatically a badge used to get pinned onto them. It was done very nicely, very professionally, and I thank everyone for this wonderful event and for being a part of it. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and wise words. We are indeed enlightened.
Thank you, Sarita. On the other side of the storm is the strength that comes from having navigated through it. Raise your sail and begin. The words very aptly define the faith and belief of our dynamic director, Mrs. Nivedita Madkekar. A pragmatic visionary, a mentor for the young minds, with the ability to inspire, ignite, and nurture them for future challenges. It is a grit and determination that we could do this event that has led Lok Seva to sail smoothly through the global upheaval. She firmly believes that there is courage and hope in every obstacle we face. Ma'am challenges us to expand our thinking beyond the average and just strive for the best. Nivedita ma'am truly exemplifies a role model who's dedicated with unwavering purpose, committed to achieving the goals set for the future. Ma'am, may we now request you to address the gathering.
Thank you, Gitika ma'am. That was wonderful to hear from you. I am humbled and I'm really thankful that you think that I am capable of doing whatever you have said. A very good afternoon to everyone. Commander Berry, thank you for sparing time and coming here. That was great to have you throughout the function, watching our young children. Usually, the chief guest should be speaking the last. So I sincerely say sorry to you. I should have spoken before you, and you should have spoken after me. But this is a small glitch, and I'm sorry for that. So let us hope that whatever we have witnessed today brings us out in the open to understand what is actually youth and young leadership. Looking at the small children right from grade 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, the way they speak, the confidence that they show, it's overflowing with confidence. And I'm so very proud to be associated with a school with such wonderful, supportive parents and wonderful students. I'm sure moving ahead with the school is definitely going to be a pleasure for me. All the youngsters who are over here who have got the e-badges, these youngsters are definitely going to be our future leaders. Leaders do not mean only leading the mob. Being leaders in life is something what we expect from these children. Most important is we want every child to lead his or her own life very successfully. So children, though you may be thinking that I'm going to lead my house, you will be leading yourself first in the most successful way your life should be. I'm very, very much impressed by the way you spoke and the confidence that you have. So let's move ahead and understand that Lok Seva, as the name says, will move forward, and always the young leaders will be a pleasure to watch them grow and blossom into wonderful human beings. After we finish with this program, we are going to have the school song too. So all of you, please do wait for that. With this, I would end a few words of mine because I'll be speaking to you so often. So let's say thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak. And I think Geetika has done a wonderful job today. And all the IT team, you will definitely have vote of thanks, no doubt. But I thought personally, I should say, every one of you has done a wonderful job. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Have a good day ahead of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your invigorating speech. Now I request Mrs. Geetika Berry to kindly give away the vote of thanks.
Sarita. Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest, Commander Berry, respected Academic Director, Mrs. Nivedita Markikar, all the academic coordinators, teachers, parents, and our loving, dear students. It is my privilege and honor to propose vote of thanks on behalf of the entire school. A sincere thanks to our esteemed chief guest for his valuable time and gracing today's occasion. I would like to present our gratitude to our academic director, Mrs. Nivedita Markikar, who has been there with us since the first brainstorming session till now, making every possible effort to make this event memorable and successful. Big thanks to the house mistresses and house teachers who have been working tirelessly behind the curtains. Yes, dear friends, behind the curtains, communicating with a number of people, arranging things, making things happen, while also ensuring the smooth transition of this event. And last but not the least, how can we forget our dedicated and supportive parents? Parents, thanks to your zest, skill, and support that we could make this virtual event successful. At the same time, I would like to thank once again to the IT team, our office management, school staff, and each and every member who contributed their bit and lot to make this event a huge success.
And viewers, how can we forget Geetika ma'am for her immense support, efforts, and extra time that she has contributed to make this event a huge success. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Motivation and encouragement, and also inspiring all of us to become good orators. We all are thrilled to be a part of such a wonderful virtual event. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sarita ma'am. I'm moved by your words. And I would like to end with the quote. When we express gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not simply utter words, but live them. We once again thank you all for your support in making this function a grand success. Now I request all to stand for the school song.
At Lok Seva we are champions, learning to live life's race. It's a training ground for us to learn the skills of life. Onward marching we will go, on to the victory stand. For our teachers give us the strength to learn the skills of life. At Lok Seva we are champions, learning to live life's race. It's a training ground for us to learn the skills of life. Winners we will be, winners we will be, winners we will be, winners we will be. Learning to play the game of life with victory. At Lok Seva we are champions, learning to live life's race. It's a training ground for us to learn the skills of life. Let's put our best foot forward for every given task, taking life as a challenge with success or endeavor, striving to do our best despite life's test, armored with honesty, courage and power. At Lok Seva we are champions, learning to live life's race. It's a training ground for us to learn the skills of life. Lok Seva are champions who excel in every way. Sports and academics, shining like sun's rays, spread for sunshine of values and goodness, creating lifelong learners, our future to change. At Lok Seva we are champions, learning to live life race. It's a training ground for us to learn the skills of life. Onward marching we will go, on to the victory stand. For our teachers give us the strength to learn the skills of life. At Lok Seva